Coming to school here truly did benefit my life because I work at a great job that I love, and I get up every morning. I have no problem going to this job. I never really just dread going like some people I know do. And we work basically in the automotive industry. We weld mainly steel and aluminum, and in the future I have plans of going into inspection, and that's one thing I truly loved about this school. I learned that it's more than just welding. There are so many fields, and honestly the job security in it. Like, I truly don't have to worry, and thanks to this job that I now have, I actually just bought a house and I'm about to get married. So to say the school truly helped me is an understatement, because this set me to the path that I needed and that I'm very proud of and thankful for.